TV. Mom, look.
I copy you, Andy. I copy you. 2 sharks. That's great. Is Travis going to make an attempt to get a biopsy on one of them? Over.
We have a small cut email. Travis is going to attempt to biopsy. Over.
Biopsy is a success. The skin sample, along with information about the shark's size and sex, will be forwarded to scientists for further study.
Andy, how is the shark reacting? Is it taking off or is it sticking around? Over.
The shark swam off, but moved rapidly. I expect it back soon. Over.
Copy that, Andy. We'll see you on the surface. Over and out.
Before this trip, I had no idea what a 6-gill shark even looked like. But now, I can honestly say that after diving with them, I want to go back. I want to learn more.
I think this is just the beginning. I think a lot of people are going to want to experience these sharks underwater. These animals are facing quite a few threats living so close to people, so hopefully diving with them, filming them, and learning about them might help them to stick around another 200 million years.
From 6-gills in Seattle to shipwrecks in North Carolina, they will now dive with a shark known to transform when the sun goes down. The sand tiger.
Bunch of those.
Get ready for the ride of your life. It's a bold new series that asks the most provocative questions and takes you wherever they lead. Every great journey begins with curiosity. The all-new series premieres Sunday at 8, only on Discovery.
At Bayer, we're reinventing aspirin for pain relief with new extra-strength Bayer Advanced Aspirin. It has microparticles, enters the bloodstream faster, and rushes relief